Whoa!
Stupid
Bird again.
Stole my spoiled meat.
Yep.
Chewed it up and ate it.
He's still
Still
swooping
swooping around.
Oh,
there he goes. Up.
Alright, we're just about in position here.
Yeah.
Stole my meats.
Ever?
Oh, that's funny.
It's all falling and stop.
Okay, so see the
mountain to our west.
Yep.
Okay, there's
another one further west.
You cross a river. Do you have that on your map?
Do you have that on your map?
Nope.
No.
Okay.
Mom hadn't
been there either, but I was looking at the big map. You kind of
you'll
pass this mountain to here, keep heading west, and there'll be a river. You're gonna cross over it, and the next mountain is the one that has lots of stuff.
What the hell are we looking for?
Obsidian?
Oh, yeah,
Obsidian.
Couldn't remember
Remember
what
what
it
it was. It's called the Frozen Tooth.
Oh, seems safe.
I said no one.
Possibly go wrong.
Vet
GPS.
I would
Give you some GPS coordinates, but we don't.
It looks like it's. I mean, yeah, there's some towards the top.
there's some towards the top, but along the south side of it,
there's a bunch.
it looks like there's a
Maybe
bunch. Maybe like
close to the
edge of the snow area, maybe, or something. Because
I'm looking
Sorry.
at a different map. And
I was just thinking of you getting knocked off the fire. It's so funny.
Like
Oh,
I
it
said,
was right up this mountain here.
I'm gonna go and download that video.
Download that
It's too
video.
bad you don't have my. Oh yeah, you do have
Yeah,
my
I do
gear.
have
That's
yours.
right. Look! There's a T-Rex. This mountain's covered with them too.
Well, here's some obsidian, but there's a bunch of hyenas.
Yeah, there's
a little
at this mountain.
there's a ton at the
This
other
one
one.
has very little.
This one has very little.
Oh yeah, there is some.
Mom looked and looked.
I didn't look down here.
I'll be back.
I'll be back.
I didn't look low enough.
Can't carry a lot.
Use a pick.
That's what I used. Just throw your rocks out. And be careful, there's hyenas all over.
What? Holy shit! Oh my god, my bird! I can't find my bird. It killed me.
Oh no.
I thought you were right there with me.
No, I got mine.
Jesus.
Where are you? Run.
Well, I'm dead.
Oh. Oh, I gotta go down. Stupid part.
Well,
that
damn
went.
it. Since you were right there with me while I was getting it.
No, I grabbed my rock, jumped on my bird real quick. I think your flyer's still alive.
I don't know how.
Doesn't say that it was killed.
Let's see if you can whistle it and get it
I
to
wonder if
the.
I should.
I'll go. Do you have a pick on you?
Yeah,
No, I have a axe.
Do
He
what?
was in that. Got your bird. He flew up in the air.
What?
That's why you couldn't get on him. He took off. Do you want to go?
Well, if I don't have a pick, Is there not one in one of those boxes? There was.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't do anything with the boxes. Nothing there. There's my gun.
Maybe I'll see
Or
if
that's
I
your
can
gun, or that's the gun.
grab the hyenas and throw them off.
You're cold.
Just jumping back to our base.